How's it going, everybody? This is Sandra Wright. Today I want to share with you my business opportunity and the products that we have that are so necessary for everybody. The company that I've partnered with is Liv Labs, and it's a CBD company. And if you go on the internet and type in CBD, you'll see that it is a trending thing these days. What CBD has been able to do is it's helping people with anxiety. See kids with autism, it's calming them down. People who have issues with insomnia, inflammation. The reason I started taking CBD is because of sciatica and arthritis in my knees, and they've taken those painful parts of what I was going through away. So I want to share with you our products here. We have the hemp balm, we have the Hydro Pro, this is the CBD oil, and then we have hemp oil gel, soft gel capsules. And these products, they calm you, they take away the inflammation out of your body, and just a number of health benefits that you wouldn't even believe. Come down here, it talks about the aches, takes away the inflammation, moodiness, restlessness, and stress. Our products, they're grown in Colorado. This is a 30-year-old company which saw the trending boom with CBD, and they took part. They're taking part in it, and so they have a big facility that's set up with scientists to give us the best quality of organic CBD. So like I said, we have our drops, hydro drops, and we have our balm, which you can rub on you. It's way better than Bengay. And then we have our soft gels. And they what's cool about these products, you don't have to wait for hours for it to kick in. Within maybe 15-20 minutes, you'll feel the healing properties of these products. So we have a video here, so when you look at the opportunity that I've showed you, check out this video. It really goes in depth about what goes on inside our body. And also with this, I have samples. If you would like, I can send you some samples of the hydro drops. So now I'm going to go into the business opportunity. To become a promoter in Liv Labs, it's only $47 one time, annually rather. And we have the hydro drops. We have trial packs that you can purchase. It's 5 in a pack, and it's 5 days worth of drops, where you can share these with individuals and you can make your money right back. And then we have an auto ship of a full bottle for $99. You can buy trial packs on auto ship if you like, but there's a better way. I'm going to get into that. Then we have our soft gels on the regular way, and then we have an auto ship way, and then we have the hemp balm on just regular retail way, and then we have the auto ship. So the way to come into the company to really move up in the ranks is, the most popular way is through the rank of 15K VIP. Because when you come in at this rank, you will be automatically set up to 15K. And of course, with the 15K, you make more money. So with that, it's a $190, and you can get either 2 bottles of the Hydro Pro with the 2 bottles soft gels, the balm, and 5 trials, or you can just go for 10 trials, and you can give those, you can just sell those to customers, or you can people who you're looking to help join your business, you can give them samples so they can see for themselves how great these products are. So, everybody may not have the money, but then there's another way that you can come in at the $4.95 package, and that contains 1 bottle of Hydro Pro, 1 bottle of the soft gels, the balm, and 2 trial packs. Or you can get the 5 trial packs. And then we have the family pack, which is 1 bottle of Hydro Pro, 1 bottle of the soft gels, and 1 bottle of the balm. There are 10 different ways to get paid through this company. I'm not going to go into full detail, but as you share these products with customers or people joining you, you will receive a percentage of the sales. So the more sales you make in volume, the more money that you will make. Because this is your business, you would have products on SmartShip. Plus, if you've referred 3 customers on SmartShip, your product is free every month. And these are the different levels that you can achieve. And like I said, if you come in at the 15K, meaning buying the $9.90 package, you will automatically go to 15 VIP, and you will get these percentages on your different levels. So as a active promoter, you come in at 20%, and as you move up the ranks, these are the different levels that you will achieve. So in your first 14 days, you bring in 2 customers with 100 PBV, and you will get a $200 bonus. 30 days, you bring in 4 customers, you'll get $400 bonus, and you can get all of these. And then the next one is for 60 days, and you'll get an $800 bonus. And like I said, CBD is a booming business right now. Dispensaries are shooting up all over the country, and this is going to be what they said in 2020. This is going to be in the billions of dollars. So why not be a part of it? Have your own dispensary, that costs millions of dollars. So why not get in the ground floor of an opportunity like this that can benefit your family? I mean, not just the healing aspects, but the money that you can make with this opportunity. So I appreciate you taking a look. And again, this is Sandra Wright. Thanks.